Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use stretch command to stretch the object in AutoCAD. Let's say for an example, if I want to stretch this property line, so how can I use the stretch command to stretch the property line? First of all, what I have to do is I have to take the snap angle according to this. For this, I'll type SNAP AN, press space, and I'll take the snap angle like this. Here now my cursor is changed to the snap angle in which the property line is made. Then what I'll do is I'll just type S. Then here you can see stretch. Then I'll just press space. I'll select the roof like this and I'll just drag like this. And this is the way I can stretch the property line with the help of stretch command. Let's say another example, like if I want to stretch this, so how can I stretch? For this I'll type S, press space, then I'll select the roof like this, then press space, then I'll click here. Like if I want to click, I can click here also. I can click on the roof and drag like this. This is the way we can stretch the roof in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.